Do you want to speak English confidently and make sentences without thinking too much? If yes, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to make complete sentences easily and step by step. And at the end of the video, you will be able to make complete sentences easily. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Because students have vocabulary and grammar, but when it's time to speak, they stop. So let's start it. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Basically, sentence starts with very basic things. Subject, verb and object. Subject is who is doing and verb is what they are doing. And what is object? Object is a thing or person that gets the action. Let's take some examples. I eat. Here I is a subject and eat is a verb. She plays. We eat. Now you try some sentences. Let's make the sentences little interesting by adding the object. Example. I eat apple. She reads novel. Now you compare it. She plays guitar. Which one sounds better? Second one? Right, because object is making this sentence clearer and longer. Let's add some more information in the sentences by adding the place or time. Example, I eat an apple in every morning. We go to school every day. I live in Karnal. We play hockey every Sunday. Did you notice now the sentences are complete and meaningful? Now it's time for mini challenge. Say about where you study, read or play. Comment it, I will check it. Now it's time for mini practice. Let's take only 2 examples. I eat mango every Monday. I go to market every Sunday. So today you learned very simple but powerful methods. Subject plus verb plus object and other information. Please don't try to speak perfect English but try to speak complete sentences. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not from fear. I hope now you are no more confused about making sentences and now it's your turn to practice. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye.